everyone, hope you're doing well. It's Friday and I am just in my bathroom cleaning out my makeup, organizing, cleaning my brushes, all that, and I have been getting a couple requests for a little makeup tutorial. So I put together a really basic how to do makeup. This is kind of like my tried and true method. I've been doing makeup professionally for, oh my gosh, since like 2008. And these are my all-time favorite products that I've used. Some of these are like tried and true products, and just kind of what I would do for a very, very basic day-to-day type look. So I hope you enjoy.